Choo choo. Choo choo.
Look at her, look at her. I was like, you want cake?
I have to say, pick your head up, girl. She was trying to stay for that yellow thing.
She gets that from her daddy. Come sit down. We're gonna sing happy birthday to JC.
Okay.
You ready? He said, oh. Say happy birthday to you.
No, open the cake first.
What?
Can I do the cake first? Not the presents?
You put the cake up there and light the candle, and then we sing happy birthday
Did you
to
bring
him.
him like change of clothes? And some like, well, he's like,
You're gonna hold him down,
I
right?
got baby wipes.
There's a pool right over there.
That's what I'm talking
Throw
about.
him in the
Throw
pool?
him in the pool.
That's messed up.
Don't tread water.
Don't touch it, Kara.
How long? 4 or 5 minutes?
Kara already got her plate ready.
And her, look at her high C. Right next to her plate, like, I'm
That's one of
good.
the most polite.
You still in my high seat?
You ready, Kara?
Yeah.
Hold on, Larry.
JC.
You gonna help JC?
JC.
Take the bib off.
Why?
Because it says birthday boy.
Oh
God.
my
You
god.
gotta record this stuff.
Isn't
This
he
is-
about to get a cake?
He's
with him?
exactly, but still, he's a birthday boy, turning 1. And this is memorable right here. You gotta catch every detail up on camera.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. Oh look. Oh wait, the wind.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday,
birthday, JC.
JC.
Happy birthday
Birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Blow it out.
Blow.
Blow.
Blow. Oh, you good?
Spirit fingers, JC. Spirit fingers.
All right, JC. Cake to the face. Cake to the face.
Man, you think
Or
he's gonna
just
start crying
smash
or
it,
what?
yo. Just
You want me to smash it?
smash it a little
No,
bit.
I-
Just a little bit, not like
Don't
the whole
smash
thing.
it.
Let
What are
him-
you
let him-
doing?
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
You
Let
ready?
him become
He's gonna
one
take
with-
it, see?
Yeah, let him take the cake. She said, I don't know about this whole smash it face thing.
JC, that cake was free, so you know what? You just smash it up.
Eat it.
Mm.
He's scared.
Yeah, it's cake.
Hold on. You'll get a piece in a minute, okay? Sit down.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, man. Oh, man. Ah. Look at his fingers. He's going in.
Kara, sit down.
She said, yeah, it's in. Oopsie.
You eat it.
You helping, Kara? You gonna help your baby brother?
Yeah.
Where's my phone?
Look at him,
He's trying to eat it.
Look at him. He's like, yeah, that tastes good. This is too funny.
What do you get?
Look at his fingers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yummy.
Look at Kara. She's doing it too.
He's got half his hand in the cake already.
I know, look at it. It's deep in there. Listen, look. Take it on, take it on. Take it on. Sit on that.
Hold it right there, Kara.
Look
Okay?
at him, look at him.
Let me get my phone.
Give me your phone. Just set it up with the camera and I'll take it. Eat it, JC. Eat it. Yeah, yum, yum.
Come on, come on. Set button right there. On the other side. Yeah. Mmm.
Ah. For her.
Wow.
That's funny. Yummy.
Wow. 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 Kara didn't do this on her first birthday. She was scared.
Really?
Look at him.
Oh my God, look at him. He's going in. Yo, he's going in on that kid. Yeah. So who appetite does he have?
I know, right?
Look at Kara. She's going in too. She's like, she got red all over her mouth.
I don't know about that.
She's like, that's too much for me.
He has made an absolute mess.
Say,
This is why we didn't do this at home.
Exactly. Hold it right there, okay, Kara? You got it? Yeah.
she's like, yeah, I got this.
Huh?
He made a good mess though.
Go play. Hold the cake, Kara.
Is it good? Dang.
He wanted to get at you.
Yeah. Stop. Stop. Wait for it,
Good?
okay? Come sit down. You want some cake?
Yo, these pictures is hilarious.
Just ate, Mom.
Ah.
Mommy. Dang. You actually see it?
It's so like multicolored.
Happy
You
birthday.
see his arms? His arms is like blue, red, yellow, turning purple.
Happy birthday.
JC, eat your cake.
Eat some more. You want some more?
Yum, 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 yum. Mmm.
You want some more?
He's eating it too. He's like,
Help him.
ah.
Oh, wow.
Yay.
Cake, bakers, man. Roll them up. Throw them in the pan. Yay!
Do it again.
Patty cake, bakers, man. Roll them up.
He threw away his.
Bye-bye cake.
All done.
All done.
Oh,
Oh, he
snap.
got mad.
He's got cake in his hair.
Roll them up, throw them in the pan.
He's like, come here. He's like, come here, Kara, let me give you a hug.
Really?
Oh, hi.
Really? Give me a kiss. Give me
Say
a kiss.
cheese, Kara.
Who's that little girl behind?
Kara, look. Say cheese. Kara. Kara, look.
Give me a kiss.
Dang, I almost had her. I know, right? No.
Give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss, baby.
Nope, I'm good.
Give me a kiss. Patty cake, bakers, man. Roll them up, throw them in the pan. Yay!
Give mommy a hug. And rub that in her hair.
He's putting it all in his
They
hair.
all in his hair.
Come here, Kara. Look. Cake.
He's got red hair.
Look at mom.
You gotta wait.
Oh,
Alright.